morning, Rax. Today is Monday, June 15th, and today is National Smile Power Day. The power of a smile. Except when you're wearing a mask. If you run into that, you're like in the store and you want to move around somebody in that little smile, and then you realize they can't see you because you have a mask on. Yeah. Hey, tomorrow's the last day of morning announcements because it's the last day of official classes, although some places you've got through the end of the week, like with phys ed. I'm going to be going through Friday and having stuff due by Saturday. You can do it, and whether it's phys ed or another class, get your work done. Don't ask for last minute like you already have, but put the work in and worry about it later. And don't forget to sign up for locker clean out. This is really the week to do it, if not next week. But get a hold of Martina, find out what time you can go into school, and safely pick up your stuff. Hey, I'm going to mention a couple of birthdays later this week, tomorrow, but there's a few birthdays later in June I wanted to send a shout out to. Happy birthdays to Cesar Colazzo. It'll be on June 21st, next Sunday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Sarah Aiden. I think that's our graduation day, isn't it? No, it's just before that. So happy birthday to her.
Congratulations.
And Kia. Happy birthday to Kia on the 27th.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so like I said, I'll have a couple other birthdays that are happening this week, tomorrow, on our final morning announcements of the year. You don't want to miss it. Until then, get working and have a great day, Rax.